Lewis Hamilton, Kimi Antonelli and Fernando Alonso will all be starting from the pit lane at the upcoming Belgian Grand Prix, but let's discuss why. Well, it's because they've breached Article 28.2 of the sporting regulations, which does dictate how many power unit elements drivers are allowed in a season. So this is 4 internal combustion engines, 4 MGU-H, 4 turbochargers, 2 energy stores, 2 control electronics, 4 MGU-Ks and 8 of 4 elements that constitutes a set of engine exhaust systems. For this race, for the following components, each driver will now be on their 5th. So internal combustion engine, turbocharger, MGU-H, MGU-K, and Lewis is also on his 3rd control electronics, 3rd energy store, but he's also taking a new exhaust system that's within the regulations, but he's also changing his suspension. So additional elements that are used outside of the allotted amount does incur grid penalties. So the first time they go over it, it's 10 place, and then every other time after that, it's a 5 place grid penalty. And if we take Lewis, for example, it's a 60 place grid penalty, and Article 42.3D does state that if it's any more than 15, they have to start at the back. But why are they starting then from the pit lane? It's because of Article 40.3 and 40.9B. So 40.3 says that changes need to be made with an FIA technical delegate present. They weren't. And then 40.9B states that any changes must be made within parc fermé conditions, which they weren't. Lewis was originally starting P16, Kimi P18 and Fernando P19, and they'll line up in the pit lane in that same order. And with them starting in the pit lane, it's allowed them to make setup changes to suit the wet weather conditions. But one thing's for sure is that with them starting in that position, they'll potentially miss any turn 1 chaos at La Source. So maybe some small wins there.